Hello, this is Judy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over a project I've been working on with the stamp of the month for March 2023, and it's called Precious Moments, and it has some wonderful little critters that are just so adorable, and you can see which one I've been using a lot. I've used that little hedgehog guy so much. If I take it off there, you might be able to see it a little better. Isn't he cute? And this one too. I've used all of them. They're all really cute. But for this particular project, the kangaroo was a little too big for what I was doing, so I wasn't able to use it. But you'll be able to see all the ones that I use. So I used an interactive thin cut from Close to My Heart that is so much fun. And I also used this little sun here on the Always Near stamp set, and this one is current, so let's see. So the thin cut involves this rectangular piece, which is a card front size, a little smaller than a card front. And this is your sliding mechanism, and then this goes behind the square to hold your piece that slides up and down. So it's a very nice design. And this is what it looks like after you put it all together. It'll slide like this. Isn't that cute? So what I did to make these cards was I used a lot of the stencils from Close to My Heart because I wanted to try them all out, and you have so much stuff and it's like you never get to use it. So I'm like, I'm gonna try to use all my stencils of one that would go with this type of design, these cards. And I didn't use them all, but I used quite a few. So I went through and just stenciled on this card stock for the card panel, and then I went through and stamped all the little critters and colored them with my tri-blend markers from Spectrum Noir that we carry. I put the little pull in the arrow on the top, and it does open up. I didn't put anything in the middle. And this is a sentiment from the same stamp set, and then the sun from that other stamp set. So they are so cute. But I go through a lot of cards, and I will show you. So the same with that little hedgehog. Here's some more. And this is a 3-step stencil. It has 3 parts to it, and I believe it might be, no, it's a regular card front, because if it was a slimline, it wouldn't fit. Some of them are slimlines, and you'll see that. But I love the yellow as well. And I just love moving the interactive. So I'll go through here real quick and so you can see them. This stencil is exclusive for, it's a Perks. So if you're interested in getting a stencil like that, let me know. It's a 3-part stencil. I like this one with the flowers, and I can go in through and put some gems on those. This was a slimline stencil, and I just went off the edge with my blending brush to give it the same design or the same color inking on the sides. And because I had it right equally in between, it looks like it was made that way. I like how that looks. The next koala, this one's so cute. And this is like a rock formation, or you could even make it an animal print depending on what colors you used. And this one, you can see, this was a 3-step stencil as well. And on some of the other cards, I used just the diamond part. And then on some, I just used that one that has the 4 parts. And then on some, I just used the circular pattern. So the stencils you can use interchangeably like that. Let me see, there's the diamonds. There's the circular pattern. I may not have shown any of the other one yet. This is one with the diamond and the circles, but not this. So the stencils can be used interchangeably. I like that one too. All right, next one is this little hedgehog guy. And then again with the flowers. And another one. And you could, you know, change it. You can see the different looks you get depending on what colors you use. This is the one with just the circles. I like that. It's very nice. And then I did a sunshine one. I like that one too. So just thought I'd share all those cards. There's quite a few that I made. And yeah, I really love the stamp set, as you can tell. So I hope that inspired you. The interactive cards are so much fun. The thin cuts are still available. If it's something you want to look into, you just go to my website. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.